Hey, so I'm currently editing my website and I've got some content on a Google Doc and I'm going to copy and paste it into my website. The problem is some people make a little mistake here where they copy across inefficient code. So it sounds really technical, but it's not. It's really simple and I want to help you from avoid doing that. Google reads the code of your website and it wants it to be as efficient as possible. So I'll show you where people sort of go wrong quite a bit. So I've got the bit of text that I want to bring across here. So I'm going to do this kind of chunk of text, and you can see I've got two different headings in there. I'm going to go back to my website, and this is where I want to paste it in. Okay, so I've got my text editor here. You'll notice there's a visual and a text box. I'm using Elementor page builder, but whether you're using normal WordPress or pretty much any content editor, they'll often have this visual and text option. If I paste into visual, it's going to bring a load of weird code along. If I go over to text, anything that says span and style and font weight, I don't want in there. I don't need that. I want to use the text formatting that I've set in my website that's the same across everything else. I don't want to specify different font weights and things. So basically, I'm just going to clean up this code by pulling out everything that's inefficient here. What it does save you time with, it does actually bring the heading code across for you, but I've told my website that I want my heading 2s to be of a certain font weight. I don't want to change that, so it is a little bit of a process of just tidying up some of your content. It's brought this little bold thing for me, that's great, but I don't want all of this random bits of code. So I'm literally just cleaning it up so that I don't have it in there. I don't need this return space there either. So I'm doing it very quickly because all of this code that I'm deleting, Google would have had to read, which I don't want it to. I want my website to be very streamlined, and it's all there. So I've pulled all that code out, and now that content is now ready for my website, and it's done in an efficient way without extra bits of code. So just be really careful when you're if you're copying content out of a Word document, if you're doing it yourself, that you don't want to bring across inefficient code. So yes, it makes the process a little bit longer, but Google, if you're doing this for SEO purposes, Google wants really efficient code. So just make sure you do that extra step and just clean it out before you publish.